Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to fix the sppc.dll missing error on Windows 11. This error can prevent programs from running, but there are several ways to fix it. Let's get started. Alright, first thing, if the error appears when opening a specific program, try reinstalling that program. Uninstall it completely, restart your computer, then reinstall it. This often fixes missing DLL errors. Now, if that doesn't work, we'll run System File Checker. Press the Windows key, search for CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Okay, type sfc/scan now and press Enter. This scans and repairs corrupted system files, including missing DLLs. It may take 10 to 15 minutes. Once done, restart your computer. Here's the thing. If the error persists, type dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and press Enter. This repairs the Windows system image. Wait for it to complete, then restart. Next, install Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables. Open your browser, search for Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, and download the latest versions from Microsoft's official site. Install all available versions, both x86 and x64. If the error still appears, you can manually download the sppc.dll file. Go to a trusted site like dllfiles.com, search for sppc.dll, and download it. Extract the file, then copy it. Navigate to the folder of the program showing the error and paste the DLL file there. Alternatively, paste it into C Windows System 32 for 64-bit systems or C Windows SysWow 64 for 32-bit systems. Finally, restart your computer. And that's it. The sppc.dll missing error should now be fixed. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.